Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the vessel feed feature on the ShipXplorer application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the three lines at the upper right corner of the screen and go to the settings button. At the left side on the screen, in the global section, you can find the vessel feed option, and if you want to turn on, just click to the next white circle. And this function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.